Hey girls, and welcome back to the Beautyou YouTube channel. My name is Gabriella, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply your baby magnetic lashes. The baby magnetic lashes by Beautyou are amazing because they're very wispy and long, and they're perfect to create that cat eye effect. This is what they look like inside, as you can see, very wispy. So let's try them on and let's get into it. I like to accentuate the cat eye effect by drawing a small little wing at the end of my eye corner. Next, I'm going to remove my magnetic eyelashes from the case, and I'm going to stick it right onto the eyeliner while it's still semi-drying. Whoa, you guys, look at the difference between my eyes. It's incredible. I love this style of magnetic lash by Beautyou. And you guys, this is the finished product. I am obsessed with it. I love it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you'd like more videos like this. Like this video, share it with your friends, and comment down below what is your favorite magnetic lashes by Beautyou. See you in the next one. Bye!